to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show.
Hello everybody. So we're on day 2 at the moment. We're going cliff jumping at some waterfall all the way in the north. Currently in a bit of a predicament because it started raining and hopefully it stops. I don't know if the stuff's gonna work, but I burnt a little bit yesterday. Hopefully it stops raining so that, you know, I can give Scoopy a good run and we can do a nice long drive. But we're planning on hitting like 3 Instagram spots on the way there, which should be fantastic. So we got the lenses we got the lenses out. We're gonna take some nice dope Instagram photos. And yeah, hopefully gonna be a good day. But we're just sort of waiting for the rain to stop inconveniencing us. But I can already see some blue skies from here. And yeah. It's just another day in paradise. We're back with Scoopy and we just need to give her some petrol, otherwise we definitely won't make our trip today. Just figuring that out is becoming pretty complicated at the moment. I'd be lying if I didn't almost fall off back there. Cool folks, so we've done a good, I don't know how far we've got, but my ass hurts and it was just too brutal. So I decided, hey, let's stop at a scenic spot to grab a beer. It's only 10:30, but who cares? And the guy he was busy charging us for the parking here. It's only 5,000, whatever. He says, yo, do you want to take a photo with the snake? So we've got Ben back in the vlog and...
Can I touch it?
Hold it.
Wait.
Put your neck.
No, not yet.
Oh,
Where
dude.
you come from?
Italy.
Why are you scared with the snake?
Yeah.
You have snake.
Huh? Yeah, but... Whoa.
Don't worry, come in. Together with me.
Okay. Fuck. No, no.
You hold it.
Whoa.
Dude, like, yes.
It's really...
Hey, you touch this same like a bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a bag. Hey!
Yes, he's heavier.
Not the animal snake. I'll tell you what snake is this.
Python.
Python. Jeez.
Python. Reticulated python.
Python.
Hmm.
How old is it?
My question, I want people don't scare with animal, you know? Many people calling scared with animal. See animal, the killing animal, not good like that.
You're not brave.
Whoa. Whoa, it's heavy.
Don't happy, relax.
Fucking nice. Whoa. Where is the face?
Where's that? Yeah, you want to know where the sharp end is, definitely. Yeah. Oh, wow. He's huge.
It feels weird, yeah.
Really weird. Wow.
You're so brave.
That was one of the more interesting things I've done in my life. Now to have a beer and enjoy the view. We did give a nice donation to feed the snakes and stuff. So yeah, chill for a bit and then back on the road. Alright, so they don't have any beer, so we're leaving now. So continue the journey. Sweet, so we have just gotten into ULUN DANU BERATAN. It's quite a something, yeah, no, I'm not good at the language, but it's a really beautiful temple. We've actually gotten here quite early, so it's nice and quiet. It was 50,000 to get in. Take a nice little stroll, take some photos, get some video. It's quite a pretty place. So that was ULUN DANU. Quite a peaceful, relaxing place. Apparently this temple is to worship the lake goddess, the lake being the lake behind me. You can get little boat trips and go on the lake as well. Really nice place. Great for the Instagram. Got one for the gram, and now we're off to the next spot, which is a big gate at a Karoo golf course. Yeah, so we're gonna hit that one next. Short little scooter ride, then hopefully we find some lunch, so I'll see you folks there. So this is the HANDARA gate, one of the more Instagrammable spots. So it's 30,000 to get in, and I don't know if that includes a photo, or you take a photo, or they take a photo for you, but it's quite a pretty sight today as well, especially because we got the clouds in the background that have got like running down the mountain. Keen to see. Guys, I think we're gonna stand on this side. So the one thing you definitely don't see on Instagram is the long line. Yeah. Sometimes people were busy explaining. Apparently you can wait 2 hours to get photos with this thing. And when people do take photos, they take their sweet time. Get here early if you'd like to do this. Finally walking away now. That we waited an hour to take a couple of photos. I don't know that I would do that again. That was really, really long, but we did it. We got some dope pics for the gram. And now to go find food and some beer. Bye bye. It's just a gate, actually. So ladies and gentlemen, this has now become a GoPro vlog. So we found the place to go cliff jumping after a long, strenuous drive up and down a mountain, and just before that having a really terrible lunch at a place, yeah, let's not even go there. But yeah, we are on the way to go cliff jumping. There are lots of slides and stuff. 15 meters I think is the highest one. I don't know how many stories that is. How many stories is that? Hello. So yeah, in the middle of nowhere. So we are down in the gorge now. Apparently there are like 6 different things for us to do. There's sliding, there's jumping, there's big waterfalls, small waterfalls, you name it, they got it. So we're changed up and ready to go. We already have people having so much fun. So let's go join it. And I can already see the water is just a beautiful blue. So I've just been told there's a jump over there, and then you go around the corner, and then you slide down there, all the way over there, which just looks, which is just unbelievable. Wow. That's good. So our awesome guide over here is now taking us to the 15 meter, which I just realized there was a 10 over there, but Ben's decided we're too good for that one and we have to go straight to the 15. Now I realized that 10 is higher than I've ever jumped before, and yeah, this should be properly terrifying. But, you know, nothing 2 beers can't fix. So ladies and gentlemen, that was ALING-ALING Waterfall. It's the only waterfall that you can actually go cliff jumping and sliding. This is my new best for highest jump today. Really, really good day. Lots of fun. This is the last time we'll be seeing Ben and Mizpah. Guys, say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Ben, say bye.
Bye. Again, bye.
This is the last time we'll be seeing them. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, you're stuck in a rut. Try something new. Fix something old. Change something up. Just bye.